Sara's Secret Riddle, A Journey to Islam Treasures. Sara was a cute little girl. She loved solving puzzles, asking questions, and finding secrets. One sunny afternoon, she found a shiny box under her bed. She picked it up. It sparkled. It had a tiny note on it. It said, "Solve the riddle one by one. Each answer is the light of Islam." Sara smiled. "Ha, a mystery." Riddle 1. I come before you eat or pray. I start your every blessed day. What I am? Sara thought for a minute. Oh, I know. Bismillah, she said proudly. The box glowed and opened. The second flapped. Riddle 2. I am a pillar you stand on 5 times a day. I teach you to pray in a special way. What I am? Sara whispered. That easy. It's Salah. The box opened again and a sweet smell filled the room. Riddle 3. In Ramadan, I keep you strong from sunrise to sunset. All day long, I help you feel the poor one's pain. Tell me now, what's my name? Sara closed her eyes. It must be fasting. Ding, the box glowed again and another flap opened. Riddle 4. I'm the book, pure and true. I guide your heart in all you do. I was sent from the sky above. Feel the mercy, feel the love. Sara's eyes sparkled. That's the Quran. She gently placed her hand on her heart. I love the Quran. Riddle 5. I teach you to give from what you earn. To help the poor, it's not your concern. But Allah sees, and He is near. Giving make your heart so clear. Sara thought deeply. That's Zakat, giving to the poor. The last flap open, a note come out. It said, Well done, dear child. You have found the treasure of Islam. Bismillah, Salah, Roza, Quran and Zakat. Each one is a gift. Each one bring light. Keep learning, keep asking, keep smiling. Sara held the note close and said, I want to learn more about my beautiful Deen. She looked up and whispered, Thank you, Allah. Moral of the story, learn about Islam is like solving beautiful puzzle. The more we learn, the more our hearts shine. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.